Okay, so this is just to demonstrate the engine cartridge heater. Got it plugged into my automatic timer here. It comes on at like 4 a.m. Right now, minus 13 degrees. Take another the engine block's going to show a little bit warmer, but it's not going to show the internal temp. You can see it's warmer. Okay. So let me remove this light. I've ran mine up the driver's side firewall to right there. Okay, let me unplug it. Helps if I get the keys for the car. Let me go get that. Start this up. Temperature shows 15 degrees on the car thermometer. If I go to the whatever, I go to transmission temperature fluid, it's at 33 degrees. So it's keeping it right above freezing. So instead of warming your car up from minus 5 degrees or whatever it is outside, it's only warming it up from just above freezing. So it warms up a lot faster. So let me pull this out for my wife. So I pulled the car out of the garage, and obviously it's colder outside than in the garage. It's 9 degrees outside, 7:15. I guess it's been running maybe 10 minutes. We're up to 51 degrees. Let's see. Almost 60 degrees coming out of the vents, which by the time she gets on the road, down her driveway, it'll be warm enough to that's comfortable. It's warming up pretty quickly. So that's the advantage of having a block heater. Within 10 minutes, your car should be pretty much warmed up pretty good, for at least when you take off to go wherever you're going. It's actually minus 3 degrees. That's what Weather Channel says. This shows minus 4 to minus 6.